Hey everyone, in today's quick YouTube video, I want to show you how to verify your YouTube account to unlock a bunch of new options like live streaming and custom thumbnails. Now, verifying your YouTube channel and getting that blue check mark is actually a different process, different video, and I'll link that below. That requires 100,000 subscribers. This you should do with a brand new channel as soon as you start a new channel, or if you haven't done so, I'll show you exactly where to set it up. So this is exactly how you do it. Go to youtube.com and then sign into your YouTube account here, or create a Google account if you don't have one. Then you need to actually have a channel. So click on YouTube Creator Studio, and if you don't have a channel, it's gonna ask you to name a channel and create one. This is a brand new channel I created for you to show you this process. Then what you do is you go down here, once you're on this page, go to Settings, and then on here, go to Channel, and then under the Channel tab, go to the last tab here on the right. And then by default, you get this one enabled. So you could already do all these things, video upload, playlist. As long as you don't have a strike, you could do all of that. But this is the one we care about right here. Click this, and this lets you upload videos over 15 minutes. It lets you do custom thumbnails, huge reason to do this, live streaming, and appealing content ID claims. All you have to do is verify a phone number. So you need a phone number because it has to send you a text message or an automated voice call. So you do have to set this up. So press this option right here. And on the next page, select your country, select the phone number here, and press get code. Or if you want the call, select the call option here, because an automated voice call will be made to your phone. So either one, and then press get code, type in that code. And as soon as you do that, this basically becomes enabled. It says phone number verified, and you now have access to all of these things. Now, if you're trying to grow a channel from scratch to monetize it or use it for your business, I do have a complete training on this that I'm releasing very soon. So I'll put a link below, sign up. The first 100 students get a big discount. And in that course, I show you exactly how I got to almost 400,000 subscribers and 85 million views on YouTube. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.